In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and show sections in Elementor. Whether you're creating a landing page or enhancing a website's design, hiding and showing sections dynamically can be incredibly useful. It allows you to control exactly what your visitors see, and when they see it. To begin, let's open up Elementor and dive into your desired page or post where you'd like to adjust some sections. Once you're in the Elementor editor, you'll see all the available sections and content blocks on your page. Now, locate the section you want to hide or show. This might be a header, a text section, an image, or any other content block. Once you've identified the section, click on the little pencil icon that appears when you hover over the section. This will open the editing panel on the left side of your screen. Here you have a number of options, but to make your section invisible from the start, you will navigate down to the Advanced tab. Click on it to reveal more options. In the Advanced settings, look for the Responsive section. This is where the magic happens. Inside the Responsive tab, you'll see options to hide the section on various devices, desktop, tablet, and mobile. By selecting the desired boxes, you can choose which type of device the section should be hidden on. For instance, if you want to hide the section on mobile devices, simply click on the Mobile checkbox. This can help you tailor your content for different viewing experiences, ensuring your website always looks and functions optimally. Now, if your goal is to show or hide content in a more interactive manner, like through a button click, we'll need to add a bit of CSS and JavaScript. Let's tackle this carefully. First, make sure you have the section CSS ID handy. You can find this by clicking the Advanced tab again, then scrolling to the CSS ID field if a unique identifier hasn't yet been set. For our next step, let's add a button or trigger element somewhere on your page. This will serve as the action point to hide or display your content. Once you've placed your button, go to the Advanced tab of the button settings to find its CSS ID as well. Then, it's time for a little coding adventure. Head over to the main dashboard and navigate to Elementor's custom code section where you can input JavaScript and CSS. Add in simple JavaScript to toggle the visibility of your section. You can input a line like document.querySelector your button ID, .add event listener, click, function, document.querySelector your section ID, .style.display, block, adjusting with your specific CSS IDs. Once your code is configured, update the changes and preview your page. Ensure everything works smoothly. This technique of hiding and showing sections can greatly enhance user experience and improve your page's responsiveness across different platforms. Remember to regularly check and test your page after making these adjustments to confirm everything functions as it should. Thanks for watching, and happy creating with Elementor.